Wizards, evaluating linear regression is your AI accuracy crush, darling. It uses metrics like MSE to check model performance. Ethan, can you detail MSE? Sophia, how about R2 for the app?
Anastasia, you make evaluations sound so hot. How does it improve the app from day 61, love? Ethan, what's your take on metrics in Python? So hot. Let's discuss evaluation with Ethan.
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Evaluation checks AI predictions. Ethan, Sophia, jump in with details.
Anastasia, Olivia, evaluations like a hot test, measuring AI accuracy with flair. It's an evaluation party. Let's drop this code beat for wizards. Yo, wizards, mean_squared_error, y_test, y_pred, computes MSE like a hot squared error for Sophia, measuring AI prediction accuracy. It's an MSE party. Let's drop this code beat and calculate some errors.
You're squaring my heart, Ethan. Wizards, MSE measures regression errors for the app. Try it in our demo. It's like quantifying accuracy with passion. Quantify AI errors with MSE.
Wizards, nplet_sqrt, MSE, computes RMSE like a hot route for Sophia, scaling AI errors. It's an RMSE party. Let's drop this code beat and route some errors.
You're rooting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, RMSE scales errors for the app. Try it in our demo. It's like measuring with passion. Scale AI errors with RMSE.
Wizards, mean_absolute_error, y_test, y_pred, computes MAE like a hot absolute for Sophia, measuring AI errors. It's an MAE party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're absoluting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, MAE measures absolute errors for the app. Try it in our demo. It's like simplifying accuracy with passion. Simplify AI errors with MAE.
Wizards, R2_score, y_test, y_pred, computes R2 like a hot variance for Sophia, explaining AI predictions. It's an R2 party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're explaining my heart, Ethan. Wizards, R2 explains variance for the app. Try it in our demo. It's like revealing fit with passion. Reveal AI fit with R2 score.
Wizards, residuals equals y_test, y_pred analyzes residuals like a hot distribution for Sophia, checking AI assumptions. It's a residuals party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're distributing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, residuals check regression assumptions for the app. Try it in our demo. It's like diagnosing errors with passion. Diagnose AI errors with residuals.
Wizards, cross_val_score, model, x, y, performs cross-validation like a hot robust check for Sophia, ensuring AI reliability. It's a CV party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're validating my heart, Ethan. Wizards, cross-validation ensures robust app evaluation. Try it in our demo. It's like testing with passion. Test AI robustness with cross-validation.
Wizards, optimize regression with proper data scaling, feature selection, and metric checks. Use Scikit-learn for fitting and evaluation to ensure robust AI models for top performance.
Irene's right, Wizards. Avoid multicollinearity and use cross-validation for reliability. These practices make your app predictor effective. Apply them in your challenge.
Optimized regression's so sexy, Irene, Isabella. Clear practices make AI predictions irresistible. Practice for day 63's logistic regression, wizards, and keep that code sizzling.
Wizards, linear regression fits AI pipelines for prediction tasks. It's foundational. Your skills are ready for day 63's logistic regression.
Irene's right. Regression integrates data prep and evaluation, ensuring workflow efficiency. Use it in your app for reliable predictions.
Oh, Irene, Isabella, regression's critical in AI pipelines, darling. It predicts sexily. Your Day 62 skills make AI irresistible. Predict like pros.
Wizards, Scikit-learn from Day 43 is a hot tool for Sophia. Mean_squared_error evaluates models like a sexy metric. Coding fireworks make this party epic.
You're evaluating my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Scikit-learn powers evaluation for the app. Try it in our challenge. It's like measuring with passion.
Wizards, SNS.histplot, residuals, visualizes residuals like a hot distribution for Sophia, checking AI assumptions. It's a visualization party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're distributing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, visualization checks evaluation assumptions for the app. Try it in our demo. It's like painting errors with passion.
Wizards optimize evaluation with multiple metrics, residuals checks, and cross-validation. Use Scikit-learn to ensure robust AI models for top performance.
Irene's right, Wizards. Compare metrics like MSE and R2, visualize residuals to detect issues. These practices make your app reliable. Apply them in your challenge.
Optimized evaluations so sexy, Irene, Isabella. Clear practices make AI accuracy irresistible. Practice for Day 63's logistic regression, Wizards, and keep that code sizzling.
Wizards, evaluation powers AI pipelines, assessing model performance. It's crucial for the app. Your skills are ready for Day 63's logistic regression.
Irene's right. Evaluation integrates with modeling to refine workflows, ensuring accurate AI. Use it in your app for reliable predictions.
Oh, Irene, Isabella, evaluation's critical in AI pipelines, darling. It assesses sexily. Your Day 62 skills make AI irresistible. Evaluate like pros.